Welcome to Arnoga Enterprises. Today we are going to have discussion on introduction about the Solidedge software. You can see this is the Solidedge 2023 version. To start from a new drawing, you have to go on the new tab from here. So there are already used templates, some of the templates. If you click on the new button, you can see there are different types of templates are also available for you. Today we are going to start with the isometric part first. Just clicking on the OK button, you can transfer to the isometric part. So this is the Solidedge 2023 version, as you can see on the screen. We can start with the part environment first. So we will have this video on introductory part of Solidedge so that you can have better use of what are the different commands that are available for you. So you can see this is the same user interface you can find in the MS Office, all the products that you can get from that. So this is the same user interface familiar for you. Now you can see this is the home tab, sketching, and the different toolbars are available for you. So there are, first one is the draw, second one is the relation, third one is the dimension, fourth one is the solids, that is the 3D, all 3D commands, and these are the face relations, that is the 2D for 2D, and this one is for the 3D, and then later on the patterns and all. You can see these all are in the suppress form right now. If you click on any command, you can you will not apply any command for that because you have not drawn any component over here. So let's get started with the Solidedge 2023. On the left hand side, you can see this is the synchronous technology that is shown by this command, that is synchronous. If you wish to go to the order mode, you can easily right click on and go to the transition to orders, so that this is the same just like you using these other softwares just like NX, CATIA, SolidWorks, and any other softwares which are works on the principle of the history based modeling software. So you can do both the things with the help of this software. First of all, we go with the synchronous mode so that we can directly go to the transition to synchronous, so that we can directly move to the synchronous environment first. You can see that this is the user interface of Solidedge software. On the upper side, you can easily search any command that you are looking for. The software will suggest you how you can use that. The software will identify this command for you and locate over here. You can see I have selected extrude command over here. If you are new to this software, you can easily use that one also, or else for the synchronous environment, all the useful commands are available on the home tab itself. So there is no need to go any other way to find out the command. You can easily go with this search bar also, and these are easily located on the home tab itself. In the sketches, the same command that you are having is that is draw, same over available over here. Then the 3D sketching, you can draw in the 3D environment also, and then the surfacing PMI measurement, that is simulation, generative design, reverse engineering, and many other. So this is the premium version of the Solidedge. There are 3 types of softwares are available, that is Foundation, Classic, and Premium. This is the highest version. That is why you can see this generative design and many other commands that are available for you. So this is the user interface of Solidedge software. If you want to go to have new tab, you can easily go from over here. So on the bottom side, you can see these are the cube over here. That is, you can easily change the directions and rotate the faces. If you click on the home button, it is coming to the home options. You can easily hide and hide the reference planes from here also, and some of the zoom and or the fit command available on the bottom side of this part, and this is the visual style. So this is the overall user interface. If you want to start the software, you can easily click on the new tab and you can go further. Now let's get started to draw one line command using the software. Whenever you click on the line button, you can see these are the 3 reference planes are activated. If you want to draw the line on the front plane, you can easily click on the front, but before going further, you have to click on the F3 tab from mouse itself, or with the help of keyboard you can easily click on the F3 button. So it will identify you that you are drawing a component on the front plane itself. Okay, you can see, just like AutoCAD, whenever you click on the escape button, the command from that view you have selected is escape. Same just like whenever I close that part with the help of some other line also, the color of the sketch is going to be changed. In AutoCAD, you have to select a region command to complete this region. So this color indicate that you can easily now transfer to the 3D itself. In 3D also there are different options are available. We have separate videos on that in future. So we will discuss later on this particular 3D part. You can see whenever you are clicking the shift button, you can easily transfer from any direction. If you want to have both directions, you can easily click on the shift button so that it will uh, extrude in the both ways. That is, the part will be in the center part and the extruded length will be on the two parts of that particular sides. Okay, whenever we are clicking on the escape button, you can easily go out of the command itself. Okay, so you can easily use the draw command just like you are having in the AutoCAD itself. In next video we will go through all these commands of the draw sketches. Later on we will have a separate video on the relation command itself, and then the dimensions part and the 3D part. Okay, let me know if you have any questions related to Solid Edge. Let me know in the comment box. We will have a discussion on that also. See you in next video. See you. Bye bye.